tutorial. First, make your file, name it calc.py. It's because we're gonna make something like a calculator, not exactly, and I'll show you how to do that. So first, we're doing Python. So we're not gonna do it like how we did it before. So first, we're gonna type def. This time, where you put it, that's important. So type, then type add, then put parentheses, put A, then comma B. Go outside the parentheses, then do colon. You see, it's showing me an error because I need to make another line and type and equals A plus B. Then I make another line and type print, and I'm gonna put parentheses, and I'm gonna do ands. So basically what this has done is it's created a new definition called add, and these two are the numbers we're gonna put in. And then what we're gonna do the answer. It's gonna equal this number, which is over here, plus this number, which is over here. And then this print function prints the answer, which will come in our terminal over here. So you can just copy all this code, go to the end, make 2 new lines, paste it, make sure to move your def statement over to this side. Remember, the place where you put it is important. So all def statements have to line up together in the ands and prints. If you copy that, they're good. And so go to the end of your second, and then in your and statement, delete this plus and put a minus. And then change this over here to sub. And now we're gonna go to the end of our print, make 2 new lines again, paste it again, and put that def all the way over here again. Change this to multi, and change this to shift plus A. Don't do like a little X. You should do shift plus A. That's the time symbol in computer languages. Go to the end of your print statement again, make 2 new lines, paste it again, and then move your def statement all the way over there. Change this to div. And in case you forgot what all the lines did, all these 3 lines of code did, I'll explain to you after you change this to div and change this to the slash next to your shift key. Don't hold shift and do slash, so don't do that. Just do the one next to your slash, next to your shift key, although don't hold shift and do it. And no, don't do a regular divide symbol. No, that won't work. And so here's what they do. I'll just collapse these. And now this made a new definition called div. And it made these numbers A, it's a parameter, and B. These are all called parameters. These 2 are the numbers we're gonna put. And the answer is equaling to one number divided it. And this print function is gonna print the answer down here in our terminal. So for example, if I wanted to add 2 plus 3, I would make 2 new lines, go to the, make sure the lines up with their def statement. I would do add, do. And no, we're not doing 2 plus 3. We're not going to write that. We're going to do add, parentheses, 2, comma 3. And then let's press this one, run and debug. And the answer shows up here. And it looks like it is 5. And now what if I wanted to subtract 3 and 2? I would simply change this to sub and change this to a 3 and the other 3 to 2. I'll press run and debug again. And you see it's 1. And to multiply 3 times 2, I would type multi. And I press run and debug. Seems like it's 6. Now what if I wanted to divide 3 and 2? I'll change this to div. And then I'll press run and debug. And then it's 1.5. It's a decimal. And so what if I did 4 divided by 2? Let's press run and debug again. It's 2.0, which is basically the same as 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.